Welcome back, guys. I'm Nathan Smith, and today we are in the workshop. In this channel, we're all about exploring the latest workshop-related tools, equipment, and gadgets. So whether you're a do-it-yourself beginner or a pro on the workshed, you'll find everything you need right here. Now, let's dive right into the action as we walk you through the 5 best hand planers available today. The hand planer is a timeless tool that allows for precision and control, shaving off thin slices of wood to create a perfectly smooth finish. Whether you're smoothing out a surface, chamfering an edge, or tackling some intricate material removal, a reliable hand planer is key to achieving that flawless finish. With a variety of designs and features out there, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. That's why we've done the research for you, and in this video, we'll be presenting the 5 best hand planers available in the market today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. So let's get started. The 5th hand planer on our list is the Win65 36 amp electric hand planer, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. The Win electric hand planer is a robust tool designed for precision woodworking. Equipped with a 6 amp motor, it delivers an impressive 34,000 cuts per minute, ensuring that users can efficiently tackle tasks such as smoothing out joists, making boards flush, and fixing stubborn doors. The high rate of cuts per minute promises a clean, smooth finish, reducing the need for additional sanding. One of the standout features of this planer is its versatility and depth adjustment. With 16 positive stops, the planer allows for incremental depth control from 0 to 1/8 of an inch in precise 1/128-inch increments. This level of precision is ideal for a variety of woodworking tasks, ensuring that users can achieve the exact depth required for their specific project. The Win planer also includes a rabbiting guide, which facilitates the creation of rabbets up to 7/10 of an inch. This feature is particularly useful for joinery and edge work, adding to the tool's overall versatility. Additionally, the baseplate shoe's V-shaped groove allows for easy chamfering, a feature that woodworkers will appreciate for finishing corners and edges. For safety and convenience, the planer has a kickstand that prevents the blades from making contact with the workpiece when at rest, thereby protecting both the blade and the surface. The reversible dust chute is another thoughtful addition, allowing users to direct sawdust and chips either left or right, depending on their setup. This can also be attached to a dust bag to minimize cleanup. When it comes to size, this unit measures 12 by 7 by 7 inches and weighs 6.5 pounds. Now, we did find one limitation though. The bag fills incredibly fast, so it's best to take note of this before your purchase. Our team recommends this for do-it-yourself enthusiasts working on their home-based woodworking projects. The 4th hand planer on our list is the CRAFTSMAN wood planer, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. The CRAFTSMAN 6 amp hand planer is a robust tool, featuring a 6 amp motor that is substantial enough to ensure smooth cuts through both hard and soft materials. This gives the tool a significant advantage for users who work with a diverse range of wood types. A standout feature of this planer is its high operational speed, with the motor delivering 16,500 RPM for fast material removal. This speed is particularly beneficial when working on larger projects or when time efficiency is crucial. The ability to quickly remove excess material without sacrificing the quality of the finish is a key selling point. The 11.5-inch cast aluminum shoe is another highlight, providing added control during use and contributing to a better quality finish. A larger shoe offers greater stability, which helps in achieving smoother, more consistent cuts. This is especially important when planning longer workpieces where maintaining control can be challenging. For enhanced user control, the overmolded depth knob with 10 positive steps allows for easy adjustment of the planing depth. This feature provides flexibility for various woodworking tasks and ensures precision in setting the desired amount of material removal. The planer's dual-side dust extraction capability offers the convenience of connecting a dust collector on either side of the tool, aiding in maintaining a cleaner workspace and reducing cleanup time. This is a practical feature that underscores the tool's design for efficient and tidy operation. The inclusion of 3 chamfering grooves adds to the tool's versatility, allowing users to easily create chamfered edges without the need for additional tools. At 7.28 pounds, and with dimensions of 1436 by 7.09 by 7.71 inches, the CRAFTSMAN planer is relatively compact and lightweight, facilitating ease of handling and maneuverability. Now, there is one limitation to this tool that we did notice. It's incredibly loud during operation, but that's to be expected. Our team recommends this for small workshops or non-professional woodworking due to its minimalist yet functional design and features. The 3rd hand planer on our list is the DEWALT hand planer kit, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. The DEWALT portable hand planer is a high-performance tool that stands out for its powerful 5.5 amp motor, ensuring a smooth and even finish even when working with the toughest woods, with an impressive 34,000 cuts per minute. This planer excels in fast material removal, making it an excellent choice for time-sensitive projects without compromising the quality of the finish. One of the key features of this DEWALT planer is the precision machined front and back aluminum shoes, which guarantee a consistent and parallel finish, a crucial aspect for professional-grade workmanship. The calibrated depth adjustment knob allows for precise control up to a 1/16 of an inch, enabling users to dial in the exact depth needed for their specific task. The inclusion of reversible carbide blades is a brilliant addition, as they extend the tool's life and maintain a high-quality finish on the material. The planer also accommodates industry-standard large, resharpenable high-speed steel blades, which is a versatile option for users who engage in various straight, edging, or framing applications. DEWALT's attention to detail is evident in the thoughtful design elements, such as the kickstand, which prevents damage to the work surface by keeping the planer's blades from making contact when not in use. Additionally, the precision machined groove in the front shoe offers the convenience of edge chamfering without the need for additional tools. This unit does not fall short in the durability department, with its poly-V drive belt, known for its resilience and longevity, ensuring that the planer withstands the rigors of frequent use. The ergonomic handle design minimizes user fatigue, making it comfortable for extended periods of work. On top of all that, this kit includes a dust adapter for direct vacuum connection, further enhancing the cleanliness of the work environment. With a weight of 10 pounds and dimensions of 16.7 by 1 by 9.8 inches. The planer is robust yet manageable, striking a good balance between sturdiness and portability. We did notice one minor setback, which is its subpar dust collection ability. It can cause minor clogs due to its sharp 90-degree bend, so this is something worth noting. Our team recommends this for more serious woodworkers or pros due to its high-end features. The second hand planer on our list is the BOSCH hand planer, which we have awarded a 4 badge rating. The BOSCH planer kit stands out in the power tool market with its robust 6.5 amp motor, delivering a no-load speed of 16,500 RPM. This impressive speed translates into rapid stock removal and a smooth finish across both soft and hard woods, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of woodworking tasks. At a mere 6.3 pounds, the tool's lightweight design enhances maneuverability without compromising on power or efficiency. As for the size, this unit measures 17.75 by 7.25 by 14.5 inches. One of the most notable features of the BOSCH is its user-centric design, which includes an ambidextrous lock-off release button, a safety feature that significantly reduces the risk of accidental start. This is complemented by a lock-on button that allows for extended use, a thoughtful addition for professionals or enthusiasts working on longer projects. Durability is a key factor in the design of this planer, demonstrated by the poly micro-V drive belt known for its longevity, and the aluminum front and rear shoes that are precision machined together to ensure consistent planing accuracy. The tool also boasts a spring-loaded stand that not only protects the blade when not in use, but also prevents damage to the workpiece. The planer's versatility is enhanced by its dual blade system, allowing it to use high-speed steel blades, although these require additional accessories. The dual mount guide fence is another flexible feature, allowing for easy mounting on either side of the tool, while the plastic overshoe is a thoughtful addition to prevent marring of the workpiece. On top of that, the planer features a machined groove for chamfering, separate inch and metric depth scales for precise depth setting, and a chip ejection switch that can direct shavings to the left or right. The inclusion of dust ports on both sides also facilitates a cleaner workspace. Now, one limiting factor with this unit is its case. Its quality is mediocre at best, so we recommend purchasing a better aftermarket case instead. Our team recommends this for both professional woodworkers and hobbyists seeking a reliable electric hand planer. The best hand planer on our list is the Makita 18-volt LXT planer, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. The Makita 18-volt LXT brushless cordless planer is a top-tier tool engineered to meet the demands of professionals in the field. This planer is a game-changer for doctor and window installers, finish carpenters, and anyone involved in remodeling or deck installation, offering unparalleled cordless convenience without sacrificing power. At the heart of the unit lies a Makita-built brushless motor, which not only extends the tool's lifespan but also delivers a no-load speed of 12,000 RPM. This translates to faster stock removal, ensuring that you can breeze through your planning tasks with efficiency and ease. The automatic speed change technology is a standout feature, intelligently adjusting cutting speed and torque during operation to optimize performance for the task at hand. For those who prioritize a clean work environment, the Auto Start wireless system is a significant advancement. With the optional use of a Bluetooth-enabled dust extractor, the planer can wirelessly communicate to power on or off the dust collection system, streamlining your workflow and keeping your space dust-free. The tool's high power-to-weight ratio is another remarkable aspect. Weighing in at just 7.8 pounds, this makes the planer exceptionally easy to handle, especially when working on overhead or vertical surfaces. The planer's capacity to plane up to 3 1/4 of an inch wide and 1/8 of an inch deep in a single pass, along with the rabbiting capability of up to 1 inch deep, ensures that you can tackle a wide range of planing tasks with precision. Makita's attention to detail is evident in the click depth adjustment knob, featuring an easy-to-read scale from 0 to 7/64 of an inch, allowing for quick and accurate depth setting. The dual-side chip ejection offers the flexibility to direct shavings away from the user, enhancing comfort and convenience during operation. The precision-machined aluminum base with 3 chamfering grooves ensures accuracy in your planing work, while the spring-loaded stand keeps the blades and workpiece safe when the tool is not in use. With dimensions of 15.32 by 8.07 by 8.07 inches. The Makita is not only powerful and precise, but also compact and ergonomic. Now, one thing we did notice is that it might be best if it had a joist or rafter hook, just in case the user would be utilizing this for deck work. Our team recommends this for highly accurate cuts, making it a tool best suited for serious woodworkers where precision matters. And there you have it, fellow workshop enthusiasts, the 5 best hand planers available in the market. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated. If you have any suggestions, feel free to drop a comment below. Again, this is Nathan, reminding you to stay safe, work smart, and keep yourself up to date with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great.